Today we're in the port of Piraeus, which is the port for Athens, Greece. We're going on a Taste of Athens tour. So we're going to see what that's like. We got off the ship, it's back over there. We came through this modern terminal. This is our tour guide. We got food here, Wi-Fi, free Wi-Fi. Clothes, cigarettes, liquor, statues. But now we're heading out. Why'd he go around there? You Americans always queuing up. We're going outside, so probably heading for a bus. See you later. There's the bus. Lots of them. Lots of tours in Athens. Our bus is pulling up on our Taste of Athens tour. There's the ship. Got a pretty modern port here. I think we're going to drive around town for a little while. Oh, this is near the port. The port's right there. See the ship. And it's just a town, city, Irish pub. I would say there's nothing to do near the ship. And that's our guide. Athens is still another 4 or 5 miles ahead of us.
The population of both Athens, Piraeus and the
Got some graffiti there.
is approximately
And some fancy boats.
4.5 million people.
Now we're out to the coast.
In the European world, 97% of our seas are clear. And we feel very safe when we swim in Greece. Because we don't have
She said the
sharks.
beaches are clean and clear.
Not in the
They
water.
feel safe when they swim. But there's the beach. So you can probably walk to that. Mile or so. There's the
Like the wave of the sea.
stadium where they had Olympic basketball in 2004.
From here,
We've been driving for
all these
15, 20 minutes now. We're getting into Athens, downtown.
Jewelry souvenir shops.
Piraeus was bad enough. This is
Since the metro was opened,
not a place I'd want to walk around today, but the Acropolis. I think you can see it up there. How about there? The bus is over there. And we're heading up this walk.
Mind the steps, please.
She says it's going to be the best view of the Acropolis, so we'll see. Look at that. Let's get out here. Look at that.
This is the temple of Nike.
The bus is over there. We crossed the street. Now we're going to head up these stairs to the Acropolis. Or maybe the whole thing's the Acropolis. We're going to head up these stairs to the Parthenon. So she says there's a theater over there.
Here the Athens Festival. Performances of Greek, tragedy, comedy.
We're getting tickets now to get on, to go in. Looks a lot like that, 20 euros. And these are the bathrooms. So we're taking a toilet break. We're heading up here. The trash cans look like, you know, Doric columns. Or is that Ionic? I just know it's not Corinthian. And there it is up there. It's really quite a distance, but it's huge. It's bigger than I had imagined, which is good, because so many things aren't. The Temple of Nike. And that's the city down below. And this hill is really tall. You know? Lots of olive trees. It's a lot of people. What is it? Just thought you'd want to see this. This is the theater. She says it's the only theater like this built of marble. Full of Nike up on top. We're going around the bottom of it.
Stopping. Looking down the view.
And there we are. Oh, there's a lot of people. We've been climbing up steps and stairs. And here's our first look at some columns close up. And some guys. Do not touch the marble. I was just going to grab it. So, we're walking through. I think this is Nike. Temple of Nike. She wants us to go faster. There's the Parthenon up there. So we're almost there. So now we're up on top. Oh, she's right here. So there's the big guy. Parthenon, all in scaffolding like I figured. But still, it's big. Bigger than I thought. I mean, it was big, but bigger. So we can get up here and check this place out. Remember, that's the Temple of Poseidon. This is the Temple of Athena. Walk around here. I think we should probably go out where that flag is, don't you? But first, let's get another look at this place. Here we're going to find this large Greek flag, and we're going to join the masses up on the top here. They are massive. So I guess I'd call that Athens. There's another temple down there. Poseidon's temple. He's a little pissy because his temple's so small. Down the stairs over there. And he got some good views of this. And then we're going to head off back to Nike there. Back down because we've got about a half an hour before we have to be back at the meeting place. We were up there. We walked over to there. And now we're salmon swimming downstream through a mass of people towards the Temple of Nike and the exit. Athens out before us. Piraeus over there. I see a couple cruise ships maybe. Going to go down some steps now. So I have to be careful. This, of course, is the Temple of Nike. We just came down those stairs. Got some more ahead of us. Got to go this way. Now I heard up there someone say that the Greeks don't want no freaks, but I don't know if that's true. So we came out of there. That's the exit. just a few people coming out now. And that's the entrance. And so that's the people coming in. And they're pouring up that sidewalk. And it's just thick with people. So I recommend come early in the morning, as early as possible. When the ship says you got to meet in the theater at 7:15, don't whine about it, do it. Because you'll regret it otherwise. Pantheonaic Stadium. It's this stadium of the first modern Olympics from 1896. And they redid it in marble. So we stopped here for a moment to have a look. 2004, the marathon. They had the Olympics here in Athens, the marathon here. Parliament House.
You see the buffalo soldiers here?
Buffalo soldiers there.
So it's the change of the guards right
A
now.
lot of people standing there to take pictures.
You see the two popular soldiers? This is the Academy of Sciences and Good Arts. On the top of the two Ionic columns, Apollo.
The entrance, or the beginning of the Plaka shopping area, the old town. And we're heading into a shopping area. Said watch out for pickpockets and people giving you flowers, stuff like that. So we're zipped up pretty good. Haven't had any trouble. So apparently this is closed to cars. Pedestrian mall. Here's more graffiti, like there is everywhere around here, and I mean everywhere. So we're gonna, hey, even on that umbrella. So we're gonna walk around this area. There's several streets, blocks, whatever. There's a lot of people up there. I'm not sure why. Oh, I guess it's not closed to cars. My mistake.
Somewhere at the top left, the father and the mother, I don't know who,
Anyway, Plaka. We're going to spend 3 hours here. I'm not going to record it all, if you don't mind. Street performers and things out here, like these two. She just sits like that, and he plays music. And it's really just one restaurant after another, and it's kind of hard to tell where one ends and another begins, sort of. But that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there, and more and more and more. So, and streets going off in every direction. Of course, this is the subway station right here for the Acropolis, and this is where you can get up and down there. So I had to get some gelato. Oh, here you go.
Sorry, you may have 20 cents.
I don't. Cafe Moro. I got lemon pie flavor.
ice cream gelato.
Does it taste okay? Janet says it's good. Beanie Babies. But if you're in this area and you need the bathroom, you just go to the Tourist Information Center where Janet's standing, and there are free bathrooms right there. Just hope they're all working when you come, because, well, the guys had a line. That's right. Now, look at some pomegranates. Delicious. Ooh, bees. This area is Plaka, remember? And it's not pedestrians only, because cars keep coming by periodically. But we saw these steps. We're going to go up there. That's the Acropolis up on top, you see. So we're going to see what's up there. The Acropolis is over that way. We've been walking down this street. I don't think cars drive on this, but I wouldn't put it past them, or scooters. But we're going to go up this hole here and see what there is out here, or in here. Nice and shady and cool, I'll tell you that. Hey, there's hair things for $1. Oh, It's just this place. So in case you want 2 shot glasses and some ouzo, walked along up there on the other side of these buildings down there, and now we're making our way back on a different street. This is kind of a nice little area. Of course, it's got a restaurant or a cafe. A lot of big trees and a lot of graffiti. They really like the graffiti here, don't they? This looks like a less traveled way. And there's more of these kind of streets here. And we were shopping, and then we saw this place, which is a supermarket. And we went in there, and they bought us a big can of beer, a chicken sandwich, and a can of soda water for $2.41. So, yes, we're cheap. $3.41? $3.41. Oh my God. We walked up to here. There's this building with the big bougainvillea on it. Bougainvillea. And then this pretty large church you might want to look at. If I can figure out the name of it, I'll let you know. But there it is. It has kind of a fancy patio in front of it. And I guess you could just walk in, look around. Please enter properly dressed. That'd be me. It's very dark in here, but boy, what a place. A lot of people in here. Guess this is all the further you can get. Everyone's looking at this. It must be something. From the cathedral, and there's lots of high rises. We're still in Plaka, I guess, and we came across this little place. So, and they built this high rise on top of it. But I've been told Hadrian's Arch is up and then over a little bit. So we'll see. Up at the end of this street, which is a couple blocks up.